Hello and welcome back to another edition of Mahindra's Blueprints. Now, in this episode, we're going to be talking about a brand new addition to the Mahindra Formula E team. Now, very excitingly, it was announced at the start of this season that global engineering giants ZF are now the official powertrain partner of Mahindra. So they will be supplying the powertrain, which includes everything from the inverter down to much smaller components for the next season of Formula E. ZF are no strangers to the demands of Formula E, and together with Mahindra, the team has an extra level of experience to lean on. So Jake, how hard is it to actually get the right formula when it comes to the powertrain?
It's massively important. It's so difficult to do as well because all of the powertrain suppliers are so close together, and we see this a lot in Formula E. The performance is very close. You have to get every single little part right. So ZF is one of the biggest players in the field of e-mobility and developing products for electric vehicles. So that's everything from passenger cars, commercial vehicles, buses, agricultural machines, marine applications, e-bikes, and most importantly, race cars in Formula E. And that's a huge part of Mahindra's message to bring all of that groundbreaking electric vehicle technology from racing and bring it onto the road. In the past, ZF has developed silicon carbide power electronics for use in Formula E, which improves the efficiency of power transfer throughout the car. And as we often see in frenetic Formula E races, efficiency is massively important and can often be the difference between victory and defeat.
Now, together with Mahindra, ZF are working hard to get the powertrain ready for Season 7 and to bring Mahindra to the front of the Formula E field. Now, starting from the bench tests, ZF will eventually bring the new driveline into the back of the Mahindra car. So Jake, how's it shaping up?
So looking at a Formula E powertrain in its basic form, the motor diverts the power to the wheels via the transmission. Now, the motor itself is powered by the battery through the intermediate step of an inverter, which converts DC current from the battery into AC current that the motor can use. Currently, ZF is pursuing a single-gear transmission for Season 7 with the focus on making it highly efficient and further developing those power electronics to minimise the losses from the battery to the motor to the track. So, although other gearbox arrangements are possible, most teams have gravitated towards a single gear layout. Now, single motors were mandated for Season 6, that's what everybody's using. Although this technology was developed for the Formula E arena, ZF and Mahindra will be working hard together to ensure that that technology can go onto the road as the electrification of the automotive industry becomes ever greater.
Excellent. Jake, thank you very much, and we do look forward to seeing how the results show with that partnership between ZF and Mahindra. Thank you very much for watching another episode of Mahindra Blueprints.